What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2018 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Really beautiful, clean car. Only got 14,000 miles. That is insane. Barely driven, so you can tell it's clean. Factory converter, factory converter. Then we added an X pipe instead of the resonator right there. Part number SXP4. Anyways, then 2 1/4 continues out the back. Then we installed 2 MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs there and right there. And then we finished it off nicely with 2 Natami tips right there, and Tim threw the box away. Oh well, all the way in the trash. It's gone. We'll see if we can find you a link for these tips. They're angle cut quad tips, clean. I'll get you guys the part number. I have another one in the back. So there it is, all done, nice, clean, beautiful. And here's the stock mufflers that were on it. There and there we took off. And there was a resonator, but it's not here because he had it straight pipe before. So we'll let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2022 Ford Mustang GT50 Coyote. Woo. Really nice. I like that new shiny emblem too. It's cool, black chrome. Anyways, what we got done on this beast is a full catback system by MBRP. So factory converter there and there, 2.5 inch pipe. Then the system starts from here with an H pipe right there. There's the H pipe. Then it continues 3 inch. And we always love to tack all the clamps because for some reason they seem to rattle after many years. So we just make sure we tack them so they don't rattle, you don't give you guys any trouble in the future. But there it is right there. And then there's the 2 tailpipes, one here and one right there. And then there's the MBRP's J pipe for drone. So if you guys ever wonder why that looks like that, they call it a J pipe with a closed end. And what it does is the exhaust sound comes in here, the drone hits, bounces back and kills the drone and keeps going out the back into the tips. There, and there's the tips on it right there. Quad tips out the back. And it's got a J pipe on this side too for drone canceling. So it's straight pipe with drone cancel. And believe it or not, that J pipe does not take any of the sound away. And we do make our own set of J pipes. So if you guys ever if you ever have a car that just makes too much drone and you want to cut it down, bring it by and we can get it taken care of. And I like you guys see his license plate, property of the Smurfs. I like that, that's pretty cool. And like always guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And there's the factory system that was on it. What do you think of that factory system? Yeah.
Oh, it's lame.
It's lame. So we took it off. There's a resonator, intermediate pipes, and 2 mufflers. It did have the active exhaust. We cut it off, okay? We unplugged it. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, we got a sexy 2020 Ford Mustang 50, bright orange. Just looks really cool. I love the color of this car. I like how he did the black on it and everything. Clean. Anyways, what we got done on it? Factory converter. Then it's got the double helix, double X pipe, as you guys can see there. One here and one here. Then it had 2 cherry bombs. We took them off, resonators, and straight piped it. We did also a muffler delete on it, there and there. Then we put these sexy 4-inch black Natami tips out the back. Part number on the tips is right there. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys, if we can find it for you. Right there. And right there, out the back. And I love his license plate. 8 Chevy. That's awesome. There it is, right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like always, guys, like, comment. But that's the sound decibel meter. So it'll tell you how many sound decibels it does. Go ahead. And it'll deepen it even more. Wow, sounds clean. Oh yeah. I don't know why they didn't even put an X pipe on it. At least they should have put an X pipe. That don't make no sense to me. That's so weird. Well, welcome to the exhaust family, exhaust addicts family with us. We'll hook you up. He went to another shop and he was really disappointed. Sounds so much better. Clean car too. What do you guys think? Keep those comments coming. Let us know. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, much better. You know it sounds good when he has to close his ear. Beautiful. I love the color of it. Wow. Hear sound decibels? 121. You like it? He's happy. There's the owner. You happy?
I'll be deaf, but it's worth it.
Hell yeah! Bring it on. Ford Mustang GT 50. Sexy Smurf. One more. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. Let you hear it with the double helix. Ford Mustang GT. Perfect. 117 on the sound decibels. I would keep it. I don't like raspy. Nah, it's clean, dude.
Yeah,
Keep it
I
up.
like that
Keep it like that.
stuff.
Yeah, it's clean. That's clean. Really nice looking car. Look at that. It's screaming, man. We got a crowd going too. Everybody's watching. We got a Camaro over there. Oh, beautiful car. Look at that. When you don't want rasp, add 2 X pipes in. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
The little message is because the valves are not installed anymore.
This diesel, guys, 5-inch exhaust. We couldn't do anything but a hanger for it. But here's a Mustang. We did MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs. True duals with X5. There she goes, GT. sounds so good. Beast mode deserves that one. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it. Love it. Look at that. It's sexy, man. Certain cars look good in this color, and that's one of them.
Yeah.
Not every car will look good in this color. It's just cleanly done. Nothing crazy. Wow! Beast mode!